Every animal teaches us a beautiful lesson. So we're going to learn 10 lessons from animals, okay? ध्यान से देखिए.
From the tiniest bug on the sidewalk to the mighty lion roaming the African savanna, animals of all kinds can teach us valuable life lessons. Even your own pet can teach you new things every single day without you realizing it. Open your eyes and silence your mind to take in all the lessons our amazing animal friends can show us, including these 10. Number 1. Live in the present moment. Humans often bounce around from one thought or place to the next without fully immersing themselves in what's happening around them. Other species, on the other hand, keep it simple by living in the present moment and in the now. Take a deer for example. They peacefully flow from one activity to another, searching for berries, fresh water, or just enjoying their surroundings. If you get the chance to observe this graceful creature in action, you will surely forget about everything except the present moment. Number 2. Love unconditionally. When people think of animals that show unconditional love, dogs usually come to mind. These loving, cuddly animals never withhold their desire to offer support and understanding to their fellow human friends, and even if you get mad at them, they will still be there for you. Dogs are called man's best friend for a reason, because of their undying loyalty, faithfulness, and respect for human beings. We can learn a lot about how to treat one another based on how our furry canine friends treat us. Number 3. Work together. Ants in particular are a shining example of this in action. They carry tiny specks of dirt underground to form complex tunnels and living systems, tackle prey as a team, and help each other carry leaves back to their colony, which they eat to survive. They work harder than many species just to get through each day, and they do it as a team. No one gets left behind, and no one carries all the weight, while others just sit on the sidelines. What can we learn from them? To value one another, collaborate, and work together to coexist, instead of competing with each other for resources. Number 4. Be brave. More than any other animal, lions represent courage, strength, and resilience. They don't back down from a challenge and must hunt aggressive prey for their tribe. They don't just lurk in the shadows, they make their presence known and pick themselves back up every time they fall. Humans tend to let fear stand in our way, so channel your inner lion next time. Your fear will quickly step to the side. Number 5. Follow your own path in life. Horses tend to live pretty independently and often stray from the pack when they get an itch to explore on their own. While they have a majestic, fanciful appearance, they also have a fierce, stubborn side that takes them into uncharted territory and allows them to pave their own path. Sometimes in life, be like the horse and run freely into the wind without thinking of what the consequences might be. Just let your heart take the wheel and drive you where you need to go. Number 6. Make time to rest. Let's face it, humans tend to work way too much and rest way too little. Other species don't overwork themselves. They enjoy every moment of downtime they get to re-energize and relish in life's beauty. Cats, for example, play around, have fun, and yet make enough time to rest and sleep. Number 7. Listen more, talk less. Dolphins actually communicate with one another via high-pitched whistling noises, and each one makes a distinctive sound that other dolphins can immediately recognize. They have very advanced communication techniques that rival our own in some ways, and must listen in order to understand each other's location in the vast ocean. If they all whistled at once, none of them would be able to find one another. They have honed their listening skills in order to function best as a group. Humans can especially learn from dolphins that listening to another person, rather than always needing to talk, can actually benefit relationships much more in the long run. Number 8. Respect your elders. In the wild, survival relies on the ability of older generations to impart their knowledge to younger generations. Elephant herds with older matriarchs have higher survival rates because the elder elephants can recognize the signs of drought or other oncoming natural disasters. Learning from the wisdom of the past is important for humans too, especially in an age where technology and media run rampant. Moving forward and advancing towards innovation is a wonderful thing, but we should also learn to respect the wisdom of those who came before us. Number 9. Cultivate compassion. Whether witnessed in the form of interspecies friendships or foster parenting, compassion knows no bounds with animals. The relationships we foster with our companion animals also teaches us how to be compassionate, as it forces us to look beyond our needs and imagine those of another who is vastly different from ourselves. Seeing a cow care for her newborn calf makes us understand their relationship and respect it. Number 10. We're all connected. Ecosystems only thrive when there is balance. That means that wildlife populations play off of one another to ensure their optimal success. For example, if the wolf population increases past carrying capacity, then it will cause the population of their prey to drop drastically, which can alter the vegetation in the region. While humans have sort of removed ourselves from this direct participation in our respective ecosystems, that does not mean that our actions don't influence other species, thus making us realize that we are all connected. Do let us know in the comments of a life lesson that you have learned from animals.